People ask me why I decided to go to law school. It really came about by accident. I'd been out of school for a year, working a bunch of odd jobs. Came back, thought I'd go in a family business. That lasted 2 months when I decided I couldn't work with my father, and I thought I could not work for anybody. I wanted to be my own boss eventually. Life had 3 options: own a business, be a doctor, or be a lawyer. I didn't know lawyers worked in law firms. I didn't have the money to buy a business. I didn't have the sciences to be a doctor. Poof, I'll go to law school. So I went to law school, and 3 years later, lo and behold, I'm a lawyer. I'm a child of the late 60s. I liked to fight against people that I thought were taking advantage. In those days when I started out, I represented individuals against car manufacturers for unsafe cars. The Corvair, if any of you can remember that, unsafe at any speed. I sued machine manufacturers who had machines that cut off people's fingers in workplaces. I had a lot of time that I could go against a big corporation that was taking advantage of the disadvantaged, and I could represent those people to get them a second chance. That was important to me and still is. What's most satisfying about being a personal injury lawyer is changing somebody's life. We can't do anything to protect and prevent any individual's accident. We can't prevent and protect that injury. What we can do is try to take that injury and do 2 things. One, if it came from a machine that's unsafe, we can try and make sure the manufacturer pays for having done that, and they will change the machine. They will put guards on it. But more importantly, for the individual that came to us, they may never be able to work again. They may not be able to support their family. They may not be able to have the things in life that they were entitled to have. They were good working individuals. What we can do is get them the financial resources to allow them to keep paying their mortgage, keep food on the table, pay for nursing help if they need it 24 hours a day, but make sure they are not destitute, make sure they have pride and they can go on with dignity.